Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a close look at the new Dell 2024 Inspiron 24 all-in-one desktop. This machine aims to be a sleek, powerful centerpiece for your home or office desk. And based on the specifications provided, it certainly packs quite a punch for everyday tasks and productivity. Right off the bat, the design is clean and modern. It features a 23.8-inch Full HD touchscreen display with those nice narrow infinity edge borders, giving it a premium look that minimizes distractions. The white finish is sharp, and it comes bundled with a Dell Pro wireless keyboard and mouse, so you're ready to go right out of the box, helping to keep your workspace tidy and wire-free. The display itself is a touchscreen, which adds a layer of versatility for interacting with Windows 11 Pro, which comes pre-installed. While the 250 nits brightness and 45% NTSC color coverage are standard for this type of machine, they're perfectly adequate for general use, browsing, streaming, and productivity work. Plus, there's a 1080p HD webcam built in right above the screen for clear video calls. Under the hood is where this Inspiron really shines for its class. It's powered by the latest Intel Core 7 150U processor. This is a 10-core chip with a max turbo speed of up to 5.4 GHz, featuring a mix of performance and efficient cores. This architecture makes it excellent for handling multiple applications simultaneously without breaking a sweat, providing robust performance for daily computing. Paired with a generous 32 GB of fast 3200 MHz DDR4 SDRAM, multitasking is incredibly smooth. You can easily have numerous browser tabs open, run office applications, and stream media all at once without slowdowns. Storage is also top tier with a speedy 1TB NVMe M.2 SSD. This means lightning-fast boot times, quick application loading, and plenty of space for all your files, documents, and programs. Graphics are handled by integrated Intel graphics, which is suitable for general computing, watching videos, and light media editing, but it's not designed for demanding gaming or heavy graphical workloads. Connectivity is another strong point on this all-in-one. You get the latest Intel Wi-Fi 6 EEX211 and Bluetooth 5.3 combo for fast and reliable wireless connections, supporting gigabit file transfer speeds. Port selection is robust, including a versatile USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port and a Type-A port, both supporting fast 10 gigabits per second data transfer speeds. Additionally, there are 3 more USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A ports operating at 5 gigabits per second. For external displays, there's an HDMI version 1.4 port. Wired networking is covered with a gigabit Ethernet port, RJ45, and there's a standard microphone headset jack. Weighing in at about 12.42 pounds, and with a relatively compact footprint measuring around 16.31 by 7.90 by 20.92 inches, it's easy to set up and move if needed. Running Windows 11 Pro adds features beneficial for business or advanced users, providing enhanced security and management capabilities. Overall, the Dell 2024 Inspiron 24 all-in-one with this configuration looks like a fantastic option for anyone needing a powerful, space-saving desktop solution for productivity, home office tasks, or general family use. The combination of a high-end CPU, ample RAM, fast storage, and a clean, integrated design makes it a compelling package for a modern workspace.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.